Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by like really quick and share some of the pendants that I have ready for the beadhustler.com website. I am working on that website diligently in addition to working on some other projects. So I should be done with the website like really soon if you're interested in purchasing any of the pendants. This is just some of what I have in addition to like all over here. Just a whole bunch of good stuff coming to that website. This whole table. I'm not going to show you what's on the other side. We got some beads and some more pendants and all kind of stuff. So hopefully any day now, I'm working diligently to get that website up. Many of you have already emailed me. You've added yourself to the email list. Some people more than once, and I got you. I got your email address. And no sooner than I launch that website, I promise, I will be sending out an email to let you guys know. And this is just some of what is going to be on the website, the pendants. Alrighty, Darlene Knight for not only Jewelry by BDK, but also the beadhustler.com. Okay, family, we'll talk soon.